amazing.
Oh, wow.
How did they get all the way up there?
They might have another small tree, the way they could climb up.
Yeah.
So now the tree died because this one grows so fast and squeeze it.
Oh,
So
I
now
see.
they're attached to the big one.
Oh, interesting.
This is the flower from the liana. The other day, the lady was asking me if she have a specific time when the other tree has flowers. I said no, each tree has a one like spring. So we don't have a, you come here in February, all the tree has flowers. That doesn't happen. We saw a few trees on the on the lake where we have lunch, there is a flowers. But that's the kind of tree that has flowers this specific time. So you don't have just 2-3 months with flowers. Each tree has a predator.
Oh, termites, predator and termites.
They feed themselves on the termites. You can see this one having his breakfast.
Там труднейший, patrz tu.
Termite and termites predator.
So you need the fruits every year. Okay? If you have a machete, you can just cut it down and then take up the fruits. So no problem. But if you don't have, so how you proceed?
Oh, machete.
Here we go. They use to make this peconha we call. Okay, you can twist the palm leaf, tie it up in here, tie it very well, the way it's not going to get loose on the way up, so you're in trouble. This is to use in your feet, like this. But this is the old one, it's not going to work. See, for climbing.
Oh, with the feet.
Like this.
See? The way you can. But this use the fibers to make the peconha, the name of this tool. Okay. I don't have a knife. I cannot cut the palm leaf, so I have to wait for Demison. He's lost. Woo!
Denison.
Tá fazendo dois. Tá muito horrível. Tem gente do meio aqui, vai que tem um ali também que tá no meio. Tem. Curtiu? If you use two parts, one part, the palm leaf is too big. Now who's next?
To go up? To go up?
Now your turn now.
Yeah, little baby. Ah. Okay. Oh, you have to hold on tight. David can do. That's too strong. We have to have strong arms.
Nice strong.
Strong arm cannot do.
Now can collect the sap.
The zap, yeah.
Okay. You know, here in the Amazonas we don't work with rubber anymore. But we still have a big production of rubber from Brazil, from São Paulo and Bahia. They have a plantation there. Okay.
Really?
This.
Blue Mary. Blue Mary? Blue Mary.
Pineapple family.
Yeah, the fine.
Yeah.
Gopi.
Help, help.
But
Don't
they
let
don't
them
bite.
go under your clothes or you'll be in trouble with
What happened?
it.
Bull up there.
This is the secret for the Indian to be young. Like me, I have 60, I still look 20. It's now to fill up one glass this size. Okay, so you can, it's not much like the water pipe you have in your home. But this one, you can recognize because this has a brown, kind of brown orange bark on the surface. It's always changing like this. See? So this is underwater lian. And just beside we have one tree. We use the bark for making rope. We call invira. See the green bark. So you can cut, make it the same way as for climbing the palm tree. Very easy. Okay, so blogan, zarabatana.
Which pumpkin?
That one,
this one?
this little one.
Okay.
So you can cut one piece, clean the middle with the stick, then you make your bow.
I saw somebody wear bow and arrow earlier.
Yeah, that.
Znaczy do ust jako lekarstwo?
The shot of the palm leaf. This one, the fast one you make.
Want to take?
Not to like eating, but just to spend the rain. This big. Cicadas live about 5 years on the ground and in 1 year outside the ground, fly and die. Just for reproduction like this. So this is he has a tunnel, go underground. Acampamento lá no cidade. Bora por aí. Não, mas aqui é melhor. Ok, a gente não vai gastar meia hora não, depois direto. See this bush? It's also poisonous. Come here. Come this way. Where you can see. For the Indians, for us in the jungle, we use the roots to catch fish. Okay, we just crush the roots, spread in the river, and then in a few minutes the fish will be crazy. Run to the shore.
This is the plant.
Yeah, this is the plant.
This is
Chimbo.
Chimbo.
To nie dotykać?
Has a very kind of yellow. Opa. Tem um telefone number. I mean, back there, they call patois. See? Patois grow just in the wetland. So every time you see the patois tree, those kind of palm trees, it means that you are close to a little spring or a little river. Okay? So you find water. So let's try to find out. E depois quando eu caminho na frente, eu vou olhando só no chão, né? Aí o que interessa é eu olhar do lado e no tronco do celular. Andar devagar. É? Não sei se é sorte ou azar. Bola. É. Tem uma cobra, não? Calma, calma. Okay, this plant, the Candaliana, we know as the Indian beer, because if you take the bark from this liana and put in the bottled water or a glass of water and shake, you have a bubbles like a skull, but this one doesn't make you drunk. It's like Red Bull or like a Guaraná, soft drink, give you energy. So if you have a bad headache in the morning after drinking too much caipirinha, like last night, you can drink a kind of tea of this Indian beer, and then you'll be up again. Like okay, you can run, but they don't feel tired or hungry. Okay, so it's very useful. In Manaus you can find this. You ask for saracura mirá, they will give you this. Okay, for medicine, like for stomach ache or pain in your body. It's very good. Creeks, small river, where you can go just with canoe. This is Tupi Guarani. Igara means canoe. Pé means in the canoe or inside the canoe. Usually they translate this as canoes.
Chcesz mi tu zdjęcie potem?
Saiu na hora. See?
Palo branco.
Tego co?
You can make a torch. Não é que não tem mesmo.
Não chega.
Queima aí na árvore, não vai demorar muito mais.
Moja myszeczka. Ma ładne mają te buzinki. Popatrzcie na mnie. Chodź, tu nie drap się, tylko się popatrz.
Aquela proteção que bota no boi bandido, é? Na pata dele.
To czerwona buzia.
Dzień z małpami starczy, bo
Ziemi, które one oglądają.
Krysiu, wywieźli 5, żeby one sobie pooglądały.
tych małych i to jest, wiesz, atrakcja.
Fajna malutka. Akurat mi uciekło jedno.
E os pequenininhos são chamados macaquinhos cheiros. Macaquinhos. Quando eles estão comendo, eles se põem um pouco agressivos. Os grandes comem primeiro. E os pequenos tentam roubar ali alguma comida. Aí são os grandes
Tak bardzo daleko mieszkamy od siebie.
No nie, no faktycznie.
Kiedy ja ci to powiem?
Ewentualnie no moglibyśmy jakoś zadzwonić.